Welcome to Mixai Natural Healthcare. Meet Dr. Michael Osai Onyedikachukwu. Here we discuss health tips that can help us to maintain a healthy living. And we only discuss natural measures that could be used to help certain health challenges. Today we want to talk about stroke. What is stroke? Stroke is a medical emergency situation that occurs when there is blockage of blood supply to some part of the brain, or when there is a rupture in the arteries that supply blood to some part of the brain. This situation, why do we call this situation medical emergency? We call it medical emergency because if no medical attention is given, this situation could result to fatality depending on the severity of the situation within hours or days. Now, let us illustrate what happened at the brain region at the event of stroke. What happened at the brain region at the event of stroke will be illustrated with an expressway where vehicles are moving freely. Then suddenly, a truck damages at the middle of the road. What will happen in that situation? It will narrow the road because vehicles will be moving one after the other. It will narrow the road. Vehicles will be moving one after the other. And what we call in this part of the world, go slow, will happen. So, or let us illustrate again with a pipe of water carrying water to a certain destination. Supposing it ruptures at a given site, what will we experience? Of course, there will be spillage. So in both ways, what happens is that there will be insufficient supply of blood, glucose, and oxygen to the brain, and thousands of cells will die, and this will result in brain damage. Now we have been able to explain what stroke is and what happened in the brain region at the event of stroke. The next question we want to look at is, how many types of stroke do we have? This will form the basis of our next discussion.